Good afternoon. It's cold out here. A little bit of snow flurrying around. What a day, what a week, what a month. Just keeps snowing all the time. Trying to figure out why the dryer has to be run 3 times in order to get things dry. So I'm going to cut a big hole in the wall. And I'm going to find out what's going on. There's already one small hole there, but I'm sick of that small hole. I like the kitty cats. Yeah, there's one of them. Kitty cats are jumping in there. And they knocked my vent pipe loose. See that? Yeah, there's a pipe down there. That pipe right there, yeah, goes behind the dryer. So, I can't hardly reach in there. So I'm going to cut a hole in the wall and see what's up. You want to check it out? Yeah, buddy. Now I can get in there. And I'll just put a bigger piece on there so the cats can't get in there no more. Oh my goodness, what a mess. Yeah, see, this is what happens. They push down on this. It gets where the heat's coming out of the bottom and it's clogging things up and it's a mess. So I'm going to see what's going on. I already know what's going on, so I'm going to fix it. Tape it up, put some duct tape on it, check the route, make sure all the lines are clear, and I'll shout back later. Peace.